Using Chrome browser, adding captions to online content.
Sometimes you will encounter video content in news feeds and other places, or maybe you'll run into a YouTube video that isn't captioned, and you can add captions using the Chrome browser. I'm on the US Today page, and I'm going to click this Watch Now for this video. I get to a new page and I scroll down and click the play button, but now I'm going to pause. I'm going to go ahead and let that have audio so you can hear it.
And everything that's going on, I think.
Okay, so we're going to start it over again. But before we actually play it, you see there's no captioning for it. So what we're going to do is go to the three dots in the upper right hand corner of the Chrome browser, down to Settings on the menu. Then you're going to go over here to Advanced, then Accessibility, and the first item is Live Caption. So I'm going to turn that on by sliding that over on the right hand side there. And then I'm going to go back to that video and I'm going to play it.
Kind of the eye candy and the flash and everything that's going on. I think Pete, definitely was given a blank slate and a massive canvas to work with.
Okay, so I paused the video, and as you see, it started captioning what the man was saying in the video. And that is a great tip when you have an uncaptioned video. You can just turn it on in Chrome browser.